Right now is the best time to start an AI side hustle. And here's three reasons why. One, businesses are spending more on AI services than ever before. Two, the tools are free or nearly free. And three, most people don't even know how to use them. Now, that gap is where the money is. With that being said, welcome back to Diamond's Hustle. Today, I'm giving you three AI side hustles paying real people real money in 2026. Not theory, not recycled advice from 2023. So, I researched what freelancers are actually charging, what platforms are paying, and what businesses are spending money on right now. And check this, I saved the highest earning one for last. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. Hustle number one, selling AI-powered content packages to local businesses. Here's the reality. Millions of small businesses, barbershops, dentists, real estate agents, personal trainers know they need to post on social media and send emails. But they don't have the time. And they definitely can't afford an agency charging $3,000 to $5,000 a month. You fill that gap using ChatGPT, Claude, or Canva's AI features. You can create a full month of content for one business in about 3 to 4 hours. Now we're talking about 12 to 16 social media posts with captions and hashtags, 2 email newsletters, and a blog post or 2. And you charge $500 to $800 a month per client. If you land 3 clients, that's $1,500 to $2,400 a month in recurring income. Now, money that comes in every single month. Now, some of you are thinking, I'm not a marketer. And guess what? You don't have to be. The AI is going to write the content for you. Now, your job really is understanding the business, writing good prompts, and making sure that the output sounds like their brand and not a robot. Now, that's a learnable skill. You get decent at it in about a week. Let me run the math for you. 5 clients at $600 a month, 4 hours per client. That's $3,000 a month for 20 hours of work. And guess what? You still keep your day job. Now that's an extra $36,000 a year, and your clients don't leave because they need content every single month. You may be asking yourself, well, how do I start? Well, let me walk you through that right now. Pick one niche. Real estate agents are my top pick because they really understand marketing spend, and there are a ton of them, trust me. Step 2, build a free sample. Go to a local business's Instagram right now, look at their post, and make a better version of it using an AI system. That's your portfolio. And then step 3, I'm going to say reach out, DM them, email them, walk in the door, show them the sample, and offer the first month at a half price. And then step 4, you're going to systematize. So build prompt templates for your niche so each client takes 2 hours instead of 4. Now that's how you scale to 8 or 10 clients without burning out. Now, this is the lowest barrier to entry of the 3 hustles that I'm sharing with you guys today. And with this, you can actually start this week. Now, if you're getting value from this, hit that like button. It genuinely helps this video reach more people, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm dropping real money content every week. Now, with that, let's go back to hustle number 2. Hustle number 2 is going to be building and selling digital products with AI. This one is my favorite because of one word: leverage. You build it once and it sells while you sleep. I'm talking about budget spreadsheets, meal planning templates, workout tracker, resume templates, debt payoff calculators. Anything that solves a specific problem for a specific group of people. What changed in 2026 is speed. What used to take 2 weeks to research, write, design, and format, you can now build in a weekend with AI. Quick example. You want a budget planner for people in their 20s. All you need to do is tell ChatGPT to create a 12-month budget spreadsheet with categories for rent, student loans, subscriptions, dining out, savings, and debt payoff, including formulas as well. The AI gives you the structure. You take it to Google Sheets, clean it up, make it look professional, create a cover image in Canva, and list it on Etsy for $7 to $12. Sounds kind of small, but a well-optimized budget template moves 200 to 500 units a month. At $9, that's $1,800 to $4,500 a month from one listing. Now let me keep it real with you. Not every product hits like that. Some people make $50 a month and some might make $0. That's why you build a catalog. Now, 5 products at $200 each is $1,000 a month. 10 products and you're at $2,000. So it compounds. And the more products you have, the more Etsy's algorithm pushes your shop. Don't make a budgeting template. Make a budgeting template for single moms, working 2 jobs, and don't make a workout planner. Make a 12-week gym plan for beginners over 40. Specific products own their corner of the market. Now, let me tell you how to start that. Step 1, go to Etsy right now and search budget template or meal planner. Sort by bestseller and read the 3 or 4 star reviews. Those reviews tell you exactly what's missing. That's your product roadmap. Step 2, use AI to build something better than what's already out there. Include everything the reviews are asking for. And then step 3, make it look professional. A clean product at $12 outsells an ugly one at $5 every time. Spend the extra hour in Canva. And then step 4, you're going to want to optimize your listing with keywords in the title and description. Now, your preview images should show the product in action and not just a flat screenshot. And then step 5, build the catalog. Launch 1 new product every 1 to 2 weeks. In 3 months, you'll have a shop generating income on autopilot. You can sell on Etsy, Gumroad, PieHip, or Shopify. Now, Etsy, I want to say, is the easiest because the traffic is already there, so you don't have to do much work. And then let's go ahead and check out that hustle number 3. And I told you, I saved the best one for last. This is selling AI automation services to businesses and earning. Ceiling on this one is genuinely crazy. Now, every business has repetitive tasks eating up every hour, every week. Now, lead follow-ups, appointment reminders, invoice processing, data entry, customer support sorting. They know AI can help, but they have no idea how to set it up. So you become that person. The tools you need, Make or N8N, are visual drag and drop platforms. You do not need to code. If you can follow a YouTube tutorial, you can learn this. I'm telling you, you can. Real example. A real estate agency gets 50 leads a week. Right now, an assistant is manually emailing each one, and that adds them to a spreadsheet. Real example. A real estate agency gets 50 leads a week. Right now, an assistant manually emails each one, adds them to a spreadsheet, and assigns them to an agent. 10 hours a week. Now you build an automation. New lead comes in. They instantly get a personalized AI-generated follow-up email from you. They get added to the CRM automatically. And then the assigned agent gets a Slack notification. A follow-up reminder is scheduled for 48 hours later. Now that took you 4 to 6 hours to build. But you can charge $1,500 to $3,000 for the setup, plus $300 to $500 a month to maintain that product for them. Scaled up. Freelancers on Upwork doing this are charging $2,000 to $5,000 per build, carrying 5 to 10 retainer clients on top. Now that's $10,000 to $20,000 a month, and these are not engineers. These are regular people who learned this tool early. Now, why the timing is perfect for this? AI adoption in businesses doubled in the past year, but most companies don't want to hire a full-time AI person at $80,000 to $120,000 a year. What they want is someone to come in, build the automation, and keep it running. That's you. And right now, there are way more businesses looking for this than people who can deliver it. So the automation businesses pay the most. Now, 1, lead follow-up and nurturing. 2, customer support triage. 3 is going to be data entry and reporting. 4, appointment scheduling and reminders. 5, social media scheduling with AI captions. Now, I know y'all want to know how to start this one, so let me go ahead and tell you how to do that. Step 1. You're going to want to learn Make. It's the most powerful with a free tier. All you need to do is spend 1 week on their tutorials. Step 2. Build 3 sample automations for common problems: lead follow-up, appointment reminders, invoice processing. Screenshot and screen record everything. That's going to be your portfolio. Step 3. Post on Upwork and Fiverr. As an AI automation specialist, reach out on LinkedIn. That title alone gets attention right now. And then what you're going to want to do for step 4 is deliver and stack retainers. Every build should include an optional monthly retainer. That is how you build predictable recurring income on top of projected fees. Now, this hustle has the highest ceiling because your speed increases with experience. 6 months in, a build that took you 10 hours now takes 3 hours. But you charge the same rate. Your effective hourly goes through the roof with this one. Now, that is going to be 3 AI side hustles actually paying in 2026. Number 1 is that AI content packages. Low barrier, $500 to $800 per client per month recurring. Number 2, AI digital products. Build once, sell forever. $2,000 to $5,000 a month on autopilot. And then number 3, AI automation services. Highest ceiling, $2,000 to $5,000 per bill plus retainers that stack. My advice, pick 1, not 2, and not all 3. Pick the one that fits your skills and your schedule and go all in for 90 days. If you want something simple, that's going to be hustle number 1. If you want passive income, I'm going to say that's hustle number 2. If you want the highest ceiling hustle, then 3 all day long. With that being said, go ahead and hit that like button if this brought you value. Subscribe if you haven't. I've got a lot more coming y'all way. And with that, I'll see you in the next video. All right. Bye.